Yes. Hello children, we'll continue with question 5 practice set 1.2. This question 5 total contains 6 questions, but out of that 3 we had done on the other day, which was dealing with rays, that is opposite rays, and the rays that start with a common origin. Now today we are going to study about three other kinds, that is intersection set, union set and subset. You have already learned in algebra what is the intersection set, union set and subset. Now you can see children, we have set A with elements 1, 2, 3, 4. We also have set B containing elements 2 and 3. So what is the intersection set? Intersection set is the set that contains the common elements which are contained in the two sets. As you can see, 2 and 3 are there in set A and also in set B, and they are the common elements of A and B. So we can write A intersection B as 2 and 3. Now what is A union B? A union B is the combination of all the elements which are present in the two sets. Like we have here 4 elements, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Taking care that the same element is not repeated when you write the union set. And then you can see B is a subset of A, B is a smaller set, A is a bigger set, correct? Whatever elements are present in B, that is also present in A. Therefore, we can say B is a subset of A. Now children, you can see the number line that is given here. When I say ray PQ, it is this which is ray PQ. When I say it is ray RP, it is this much part which is ray RP, correct? RP. So you can see children, when I say ray PQ, this entire part starting from this origin till the arrow, that is giving me ray PQ. When I say ray RP, from this origin R till this arrow, it is called as ray RP. It is called as ray RP. Yes, along the ray RP, you can see point Q also lies along the ray RP. So children, as required, this much part, that is PQ, and this much part, that is ray RP, is taken down from this number line. Now as you can see, part PQ is getting repeated. And this part PQ, the ray PQ, is common for both the diagrams. And when we talk about intersection, we look for the common part. So as you can see, ray PQ is the answer. Now write the union set of ray PQ. Ray PQ is again this much, that is starting from P till this arrow, and ray QR. Now look children, ray PQ is the arrow is along the right hand side. But when we say ray QR, it is like this. Ray QR, the arrow is along the left hand side. So as you can see, when we consider ray PQ, it is towards the right hand side arrow, and when we say ray QR, it is along the left hand side arrow. Now what is union? Union means we are going to combine both these. rays. You are getting? We are going to combine both these rays. So when I combine these two rays, how will it look? This much part is there. Now for ray QR, Q is the origin and R is falling somewhere here. So it looks like line QR, or we can also call it as line RQ. So the answer here is line QR or line RQ Okay. Now state the rays of which QR is a subset. Children, subset. QR is going to be the subset, which means the set that we are going to take has to be more than QR, has to be bigger than QR. Now when I say segment QR is from this point till this point. It is from this point till this point. This is segment QR. So segment QR, if I close this end, segment QR is a subset of QS, ray QS. It is also a subset of ray QT. It is also a subset of ray QT. If I close this arrow, I get a segment. I can say ray QR is a subset of segment QS and segment QT. That way also I can say if I close the arrowheads. So any two answers we will write. So QR, segment QR is a subset of ray QS, ray QT. Let me write here ray QS, ray QT. I can also write this as segment QS and segment QT if you avoid the arrows. Okay, if you avoid the arrows, instead of ray we can also write the answer as segment QS. Remember, to show that QR is a subset of any other set, the other set has to be bigger than QR. The only condition is the other set, whatever you are taking, has to be bigger than QR. Now the last one. Write the intersection set of ray SP and ray ST. Now as you can see, ray SP is along the right. Correct, children? Ray ST is along the left. Ray SP is along the right. Ray ST is along the left. This shows that no part is getting repeated. But if you look carefully, this is only point S which is getting repeated. So it is only point S which is getting repeated. So the answer is point S. I hope this is clear. These three questions related to number line we have done using the property of intersection set, union set, subset. Intersection set, union set and subset.